Every great business starts with a vision, but to achieve it, you need the right tools. In today's world, a fast and reliable internet connection is no longer a luxury, it's the backbone of success. Yet too many Essex businesses are held back by outdated internet, lagging connections that drain productivity, disrupt client relationships and hinder growth. At SCL Global, we provide high-speed fibre-optic internet powered by Faster Britain. Designed for businesses across Essex, our solutions ensure you stay connected, productive and ahead of the competition. With SCL Global, you get blazing fast, reliable internet to power your business. Hassle-free installation that gets you up and running quickly. Expert support from a local team that understands your needs. Businesses across Essex have already made the switch, transforming the way they work and grow. From cafes to agencies, from startups to enterprises, SCL Global is the partner they trust. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Visit connectsclglobal.com to claim your free consultation and get our exclusive eBook. See how faster, smarter internet can transform your business today. Call us at 0800 848 8000. Essex is built on ambition and hard work. Don't let slow internet slow you down. Join the businesses transforming their future with SCL Global, your partner for faster, smarter and better connectivity. SCL Global, faster internet, better business.